Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with WhatsApp using verification codes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with WhatsApp using verification codes, start by downloading the WhatsApp application from your device's App Store. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Select your country code from the drop-down menu. Type in your phone number without the leading 0. After entering your phone number, tap on the next button. WhatsApp will ask you to confirm your phone number. Double-check that the number you entered is correct. If everything looks good, tap OK to proceed. You will now receive a verification code via SMS or a phone call. If you choose to receive it via SMS, wait for the text message to arrive. Once you receive the SMS, open the message to find your verification code. Type the verification code into the app. If you opted for a phone call, answer the call and listen to the verification code. Enter the code you heard in the call into the WhatsApp app. If the code is entered correctly, your phone number will be verified. You may then be prompted to set up your profile by adding your name and profile picture. After completing your profile setup, you can begin using WhatsApp. If you encounter any issues with the verification code, you can request a new code after a short wait. Follow these steps carefully for a smooth authentication process. Enjoy your WhatsApp experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.